Welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and today I'm back in that restroom again. And, well, some of you during COVID might have got one of these. What is this? It's an electrostatic sprayer. This one here I happen to have on a cart, handy for me to roll around. That way I don't have it on my back. Anyway, how do we use one of these? Well, you might have noticed that I have my disinfectant label here, and I have my cleaner label here. So instead of using that pump-up sprayer that we talked about earlier, what I'm going to do with this is I'm simply going to take this, and as you learned in the hack before, you spray from the bottom up, correct? Thank you for learning. And so what we're going to do here is spray this right here, come up, spray that, and you notice that I'm over here, I'm away from the spray. I'm not breathing it, it's on the wall. There's your hack for the day, how to use an electrostatic sprayer the right way, whether you're applying a cleaner or a disinfectant.